Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this quick video, we're going to be talking about how to create content calendar. So how to create a content calendar. I'm going to show you two methods that I would use. One method in particular I use on a daily basis that I actually like and prefer. I'm going to show you that as the method number 2. And then I'm going to actually go in and we're going to do a little bit of keyword research on how to fill out your content calendar. And your content can be for anything. Social media, blog posts, and YouTube videos are going to be the most common, TikTok videos, etc., etc. So what we're going to do to jump into method number 1 is we're going to use a Google Calendar, right? So you can come up here when you're logged in, you're going to need a Google account to be able to do this. We're going to go over here to the menu option and just push calendar. Now, this is going to open up a calendar, right, for you, and you can look at different views. You can go in, like right now, we're filling this out for a week at a time, but what I would suggest is just go with month, and you can just start right here. And like right now, let's just for fun, let's say we're going to plan out our content for all of April. Now, all you'd have to do is that once you get your topics, you'd come in here and easily just add what topic you're going to do for your video or your blog post, or you could even use it for both if you want to do both. And then you would just push save, right? And then and we can actually fill this out a little bit so you can see what it's going to look like. And then every day when you get to your office, all you're going to do is just open up your calendar, and you're going to be able to go in here and just see all the things that you're going to be working on, right? And you can look at it on a daily, weekly, monthly, and even annual basis, or you can look at just 4 days at a time. Super versatile. This is a great way. This is also going to allow you to set reminders for yourself. You're going to get notifications on your phone if you want, and all that good stuff. So since I'm a spreadsheet kind of guy, and I used to be an analyst in my day job until I went full time doing online marketing, I lived inside of Google. Actually, I lived inside of Microsoft Excel. But we can also use method number 2. Okay, so method number 2 is my favorite, which you would just come over here and you would just click on Sheets. And once you click on Sheets, it's going to say welcome, take a tour, all that kind of good stuff. Right now, because this is an account that I don't use, we're going to go ahead and you're just going to push a blank sheet in this case, right? And you can create this any way you want. It's really, really easy. I would look at, 4 weeks at a time, and so forth. So for example, we could even come over and you could start at the top line, or you can start right here and just fill it out right there. But right now, what we're going to do is we're just going to go Monday, Tuesday. Now watch what you can do. You can actually grab both of these, grab this little line right here, and watch how we are going to go Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And let's just pretend you're probably not going to do content on Saturdays and Sundays. If you're going to do content on Saturday or Sunday, just move it over, or just get rid of it, right? We're just going to go Monday through Friday since that's going to be the most common. So what I'd like to do is grab this and bold it, and then we're going to make the font bigger on this, right? And then while this is all highlighted, you can actually double click on any of these right here. When this crosshair right here, we can double click and watch what happens. Whoops, I need to highlight all these. So I'm going to left click, I'm going to hold the shift button and come back over here. And then now I'm going to double click, and now watch what happens. They all automatically line up to what we want to do. Okay, that's a little big, so we're going to go ahead and highlight it all, and you can just go and mess around with it, right? We're going to go with 18. It looks really good, and so forth. We'll pretty this up in just a second. You can go with the default text. You can change the font and do all kinds of fun stuff. Now, what you're going to want to do is, let's just say, for example, this is going to be for if you're creating content on YouTube, your YouTube channel or blog posts, right? So what we're going to do is you're going to fill in the this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and just highlight these boxes under here. And I'm going to go text wrapping, and we're going to select this middle wrapping button, right? And so what we're probably going to do is actually make these all about the same size. So I'm going to move this out and make it bigger, about like that, okay? And then I'm going to highlight all these boxes, and I'm going to create a border. I like all borders just like that, and so forth. So then now what we can do is you're going to see, we're going to highlight this, copy, and I'm going to go and skip 2 lines and paste. I'm going to skip 1, 2, and then I'm going to put 1. And then I'm going to skip 1, 2, and put 1 more. So we're looking at 4 weeks at a time. What we can do is we can actually move all this over. And I'm just going to show you how you can easily create your own calendar that's easy to manage. And I'm going to move this over, and we'll just come down a little bit and just center it. Okay. So this right here, we're going to say week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. Now, you can, make this fancier if you want, but that's good enough for a placeholder right now. So we need some content to put in here. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to go, you can use any keyword research tool out there that you have access to. I've been really enjoying this brand new software that I picked up about a week ago. It's called Keyword Atlas. We're going to come in here. It's a one-time payment to pick this up. I believe it's only $47 for one-time fee, and it's an awesome software. And the reason why it's awesome is because it's going out there and extracting and focusing on the suggested keywords in Google and a bunch of other search engines, right? And so if I come over here and we open up incognito and we go into Google and just type in how to make money, and then look, how to make money online, how to make money from home. So these are the in order of most important. They're not alphabetical. It means that people type in how to make money online more than they type in how to make money from home, which is more than how to make money fast. People even type in how to make money on TikTok, on YouTube, and technically this is indicating that how people are right now, currently in March of 2022, they're typing in how to make money on TikTok more than they're typing in how to make money on YouTube. So this gives you a lot of information. But look at, if I push A right here, look at all these different ones that come up right here. If I push the delete button and push B, how to make money blogging, right? So, and then you can just keep going through the alphabet. Well, this could take you hours and hours and hours of time. And there's so many different variations that you can put together. Keyword Atlas goes out and does all the hard work for you. And it focuses on this in real time. So Keyword Atlas does not have a database of keywords built in. It actually in real time goes out and does these suggested searches for you. Okay. So we can go over here. There's an idea button too. We don't really need to use that today, but we're going to go global right here. You can also say United States. And I've been focusing on Google, but we could go Google, and then we could go and select a couple of different ones, maybe YouTube. So we're just going to focus on Google and YouTube in this case. So we're going to go with the 2 right there. And you can also select this right here, but I usually keep it on the A to Z. And we're just going to start with something. So like, let's just say for this channel, make money. So let's just say your YouTube channel is about make money online or something like that. And I'm actually just going to keep it at make money because it could be, I don't want to niche down too far. Now look at, we're at make money, and you can push start. It's going to go out there and start doing a bunch of different research for us. And you can see at the bottom, we're already at 100, almost 200 words right now, keywords that it's finding, and that's going out and doing all these suggested keyword searches, right? Now, a little bit about the numbers that are going on right here is that it's going to be telling you where this falls, how many characters and how many word counts. I really like that as well, the word count. So it went out and found almost 600 keywords for us instantly. Now, this position score, the higher the position score, the more relevant and the higher up it places. So for example, right here in this case, if we type in how to make money online is the first one. So if we so if I just say make money, the next one is make money online and from home. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it labels it from order of importance, right? And so the higher the score, the better. That's all that you really need to know. It basically means that if you type in make money online, it's the first position on YouTube, right? And then when you type make money when you type in make money from home, it's the second one on YouTube, and it's the second one on Google, and so forth. So super, super cool. And then what I like to do is you can actually come over here and start filtering. So like if you want to focus on only long tail type things, then you can say, I only want to look at keywords that have at least 5 in them, and we're going to say apply. So now we're looking at all the word counts, right? 125 words that are very long tail, okay? And all these are being, obviously you're not going to be Cardi B, make money moves, lyrics. You're not going to go for that, but you are going to go through here and sift through make money as a stay-at-home mom. So let's just say that that is a keyword. So we're going to just check mark it. Make money as a teenager online. Let's just go ahead and check mark that. Make money online without investment. Make money. Obviously Animal Crossing, that's a video game, so we want to skip that one, right? And so forth, right? So we're going to go with those keywords, and then I'm also going to go now with position score, and I want to go up here, can you make money on TikTok? And how can I make money online? So you're answering people's questions, Instagram, and so forth, right? So then once you're done with that, you're going to push the copy selected keywords, right? And you can grab all those, and you can go and put them in and just paste them in a notepad, right? So we've got a few to go with. So that is Keyword Atlas. Super, super cool. You can actually go and grab these, and you can say, we can right click and we can send all these to the related keywords, right? And so it's going to grab these. I didn't want it to grab all those. And we can actually go and get even more keywords based on the one that we just went with. Send selected to the related keywords tool. Okay, so we have these right here, okay? And then we want to look at Google and YouTube again. And let's just throw in a couple more just for fun, and then we're going to push the start button. So it's going to take each one of these and go out and try to find even more keywords for us. So this is a great way to do research on a topic and find a bunch more keywords that are very specific. So Keyword Atlas, super, super cool. You want to go pick it up. There's a link below. It's very cheap, 47 bucks, and it'll go out and save you hours and hours of time doing keyword research. And what we really care about the most is what is currently being searched for right now. And that's what Google is telling us. That's what these search engines are telling us, right? So look at these. How much money do you get on TikTok for 1 million views? Like, look how long that is. People are typing this in, how to make money on Instagram with 500 followers. You answer that completely, like with a post, with a blog post or a YouTube video, you're going to get traffic. People are searching for this in the search engines, okay? So now you can take your keywords that we have, and we can come back in here to my method right here, okay? So let's just say we're going to make this video on this day, right? I'm going to paste that in, and then we're going to go like this, okay? So on this week, we're going to do that one, and we're going to just go in here, and you can spend a little time, and this is going to allow you to be very super organized. If you spend 1 hour a week, right? They talk about very successful people doing this, so you can become very successful. You want to be organized in what you're doing, okay? You want to be organized, and they say leaders and successful people will come in here and spend at least 1 hour, maybe even on Sunday, to get ready for your next week. And actually, you could probably do this in 1 hour for the entire month, like I'm doing right now. Obviously, sift through and really get on board with what the topic is going to be. And then you come through here, and now you have this well mapped out plan for, you know, that it's week 1. And then when you're done with week 1, like you're done with a video right here, all you have to do is just put a strike through it. So we like to see that, like, we did something and we can strike through it, right? So then you're going to come up here and you're just going to push the strike through. Cool. It's Wednesday. I did do my video out yesterday, and now we're on, can you make money on Instagram? Okay. So super, super cool stuff. You can use highlights and things like that. You can also come down here and make a notes section right here, and maybe create a big box right here to put some different notes about things, right? You can even make one more box over here for notes on each video, or use the columns over here. So get creative with it. I like using the spreadsheet method more, and I do use this on a daily basis. But certainly you can also take these topics, right? So you would just come in here, and I'll just show you how to do that real quick. So you'd come in here for April, right here, you would throw that one in right there, and you could even say if it's YouTube or a blog post and just push save. And then you could come in here and grab the next one. If you want to have more control over, or if you want to be able to get reminders and stuff, and then this is what your calendar would look like. Let's say you have Wednesdays off. So we're going to come in here and put this in for Thursday. So then your calendar would look like this, right? So here's April. You would know all your blue ones. We can actually take off some of this other stuff like the holiday stuff. You can take off all that stuff, and you would just be looking at a nice calendar just like this as well. So if you want to do it this way, it's totally fine. Or if you want to do it the spreadsheet method as well. So I just wanted to give you those tips. Really, really cool. That's how you create a content calendar for anything that you really need online. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to pick up Keyword Atlas, there'll be a link below. It's a super awesome keyword research tool that I just discovered, and I really, really like it. Again, it focuses on the instant suggested keywords in like over 20 search engines. Super, super cool. It's great for e-commerce products as well, because you can actually focus on Amazon and eBay and that sort of thing. Walmart, all kinds of good stuff. Etsy, it works for all those. Make sure you subscribe, because I come out with, useful tutorials and reviews and all kinds of good stuff. So subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods, and I'll see you in the next video.